challenge. You need to make money from your email marketing, but you can only choose one subject line. So, what subject line would you use? I know which one I'm using, and I'm about to share my secret with you. You can even use it today. I'm Greg Zackwitz, 18-year email geek and e-commerce expert in Omnisend. In today's video, I'm going to share with you the one subject line I would choose to increase my email marketing sales. So if you're ready to print money, you've come to the right place. To write a good, effective subject line, we need to know what makes a good subject line. Now for me, it's one that stands out, sparks intrigue, makes people want to take action quickly, and makes people want to see more. For me, that's why my best subject line would be a back in stock subject line. Maybe something like back in stock, but not for long, or our best sellers are back in stock. You get the idea. So why would I choose a back in stock subject line? It's because a back in stock messaging combines a consumer's desire to shop, social proof, and a fear of loss. The same trifecta that works when a shopping cart abandonment message highlights the items are left behind, but may sell out fast. And this will get people to open your email. In fact, automated back in stock emails generate a 60% open rate, the best of any marketing email. Not only that, these messages also have the best click rate and best conversion rate of any email. Do you think people like back in stock products? Now here are a few back in stock subject lines to get your creativity flowing. On these examples, you can see almost every subject line includes the term back in stock, but I'll say it differently. Some have emojis, some break up the words, some just say back in stock. That's it. So if you need some help creating or analyzing your own subject lines, Omnisend offers two absolutely free subject line tools. The first is a subject line generator that will create sample subject lines based on your email content. And the second is a subject line tester, which will analyze your subject lines and provide suggestions for improvement. Now, links to both of these free tools can be found in the video description. Okay, so that's it. My secret email marketing subject line that will increase your sales. So what are you waiting for? Be creative and get your sales back in stock. So be sure to leave a comment about how your back in stock campaigns performed. And if you have a secret subject line that works for you, also let us know that. Now, if you're serious about increasing your email and SMS marketing sales without the exaggerated cost, join one of the 100,000 plus companies who use Omnisend. Omnisend offers all the tools you need to increase your sales, like automated workflows and stunning email templates. It even offers 24/7 live award-winning support for all customers. So be sure to find out more at omnisend.com, which is also linked in the video description. Now, if you're interested in more e-commerce marketing videos that will increase your sales, check out this one right here. Until next time, happy marketing.